Good morning, everyone. It is September 18th of 2023, and I wanted to do a quick video this morning on RRR. This is part of the logo for how I trade, and this right here, this guy right there, stands for Run, Rest, Run. And we've had a lot of people ask in the Discord server, what do I mean by run, rest, and run? And this is a certain price action that you're going to see on charts, either when they trend higher or lower. And normally what happens is that this happens once we break out of this box that you see right here. And this creates the run motion up, and then we rest, and then we run. So let's get to an example here. And for those of you who are new, this is Google, and I trade um, bigger names because they move well, but also because I want to trade what is desired in the market, not what people don't want. Buy what people want, short the crap that people don't want. And today we're only going to focus on what people want. So how do I know that Google is a very desirable stock right now? And the answer to that is because I can see for the year that we are getting bought. I can see it on the quarter, and on the month here you can also see how we're trying to hammer. This right here tells me that this stock, even under pressure, is desired. And you can see how we did it on the week here as well. So how does that look on a daily, and how can we see this price action play out? Well, my first advice to young traders is you've got to stop using these intraday charts. Stop using the 65 and the 130 or anything smaller and see the big picture. Um, and as I say that, I can also tell you that I do like the 130 and the 65, but there's a time and a place to use that. And when you're just starting out and you're just learning how to see price action, then you want to get away from that. So let me go over the time frames here. I've got the year, the quarter, the month, the week, and the daily here. And this is a daily 1 year, okay? And I'm going to be honest with you, even the daily 1 year still is uh, it's too drilled in for me. And I'll come out here and I'll go to a 2 year and try to see the price action. But when I really, really, really want to focus on price action, I'll actually go over here and I'll do a daily max. Yes, I said a daily max just to see where price action has been uh, for quite a while. And I think this is what, maybe 6 years, 7 years. Point is, I can go back as far as I want to, but in the end, just know that I do this exercise with a lot of young traders to show them that this right here, that's a previous high, and down here is a low. You can't dispute that on this chart, right? And what I have found to work for me is that when I trade trend reversals, that's when I feel the most comfortable in a trade. And so if we start to drill down into this, we can see that all the way back here, Google was at an all-time low and we moved up. And as we moved up, we started to retest these previous lows, and then we bounced off the bottom to the point where we started to form this action right here where if you were patient as a trader, you can see that this got retested right here. This low got tested again right here. And then as we started to move up, we always had a retest. Now, the nice thing about this is that sooner or later, Google did not only retest, but it went up here and it started to run, rest, run, rest, and then run. And then once price cuts below the previous low right here, right there, you're waiting for this thing to do it all over again. Run, rest, run, rest, run, rest, run, rest, run, and then rest, run, and then here we go again. And that price action is run, rest, run. And then once you have it to the upside, the beautiful thing is that you can also have it to the downside, right? So for instance here, once we set a high here and then we retested it here, look at what price did. We went down, run, we rested, and then we went back down. And then we kind of did this same price action on the way down to the point where we put in a new low right here. And then no one else was willing to bid lower than that price. And so if we know that this is the lowest price right now, right, this price right here, we could say run, rest, run, rest, run, okay, rest, oh, my mouse got kind of crazy there. Run, rest, run, rest, run, rest, run, rest, run. And so here we expect it to either run or rest in this area right here. That is run, rest, run price action. So simple and extremely pretty if you know how to trade it. So I hope you have found this video to be informative, and it helps you as you decide to get in and out of trades. And until then, thank you and have a good day.